Nobody talks about the moment right before someone rebuilds. Not the comeback, not the glow-up. The weird, quiet, uncomfortable season where nothing makes sense and every old version of life just stopped fitting. Think about a lobster. Seriously. A lobster grows by shedding its shell. But before the new shell hardens, that creature is completely soft, completely exposed, completely vulnerable. And if it refused to shed the old shell, it would literally be crushed by its own growth. That in-between space, that is where most people quit. Not because they are weak, because discomfort gets misread as failure. The brain sends a signal that says something is wrong, go back, retreat, find safety. But sometimes that discomfort is not a warning, it is a doorway. Here is what makes this tricky. The people who care the most, the ones who spent a lifetime being agreeable, being easy, being the person everyone else needed, those are the ones who struggle hardest in that doorway. Because shedding a shell also means shedding the version of a personality that was built to keep the peace. And that feels like betrayal. It feels selfish. It feels terrifying. But staying in a shell that no longer fits is not kindness. It is slow suffocation. So if life feels messy right now, if the old routines feel hollow and the future feels blurry, that is not a breakdown. That is a molt. Growth just looks ugly in the middle. One day at a time. One honest conversation at a time. One small decision that actually honors what feels true instead of what feels safe. The new shell hardens. It always does. But only after the shedding. Stay with it. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to Infinity Quantum takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.